Select the text that best supports the theme. That a good choice isn't always the easiest one.
Okay, so you have this one, I think this one and this one. So which one is your answer? Okay, let's try.
Submit.
Yeah. Okay, let's start. Read this one, okay?
Shape.
Shifters. There's a shift. I don't know what is shape shifters. What's this? I don't know. What's that?
Trim.
Okay.
Material that is used for
Decorating
something.
Okay.
A
Skirt.
with lace trim.
Okay. What's this?
Scat.
Okay.
Now, trim.
Okay.
Shifter.
Shifter.
Okay, spread.
SHIFTER. Shifter.
Gear shifter. I see.
Gear shift.
Gear shift.
Okay, gear shifter. Gear shifter. Yeah, this gear shifter, they change this and change the speed of the car. It's gear shifter. I don't know. Let's just read it. Shape shifters.
It was another
Moonlift. What is this? Moonlift.
Gear shift.
Gear shift.
Is that moonlift? What's this? Moonlift. It was another moon. Oh no, moonlight. This.
Moonlit.
Okay.
Light by the room. Moon.
Moonlit.
Casper.
MOONLIT. Moonlit.
Okay, like the night, you see the moon make this the word look very bright. That's moonlit.
Moonlit.
Okay, what's that?
Adjective.
Casper.
MOONLIT. Moonlit.
Okay. What is that? Moonlit. Shiny. sunlit, moonlit. The opposite is dark. Okay.
dark, light,
Okay, moonlit. Okay. Mm. Okay, it was another
moonlight, half the new planet.
I see. Different. Don't know how to say it.
It's
Ats.
it's
Ats.
it's
Ats. Okay, it's a planet of ats. Okay, it was another moonlit afternoon on
planet X. Peace,
perfect.
perfect for
What the hell is that? Stargazing. Maybe this. Yeah, to see the. No.
oh
What's that?
Moonlit.
moonlit,
Moonlit. Moonlit.
Can I spell?
MONLIT moonlit.
One more time.
MOONLIT moonlit. Adjective, light by the moon.
Okay. Stay stargaze.
Stargaze.
Stargaze,
Stargaze.
stargaze,
Stargaze.
stargaze.
Okay, to gaze at the stars. To just look at the star.
Stargaze.
Stargaze,
Can I spell?
STARGACE, stargaze.
Okay. Daydream. Is
Daydream.
that? I don't know. Stargaze anything.
Daydream,
Okay. Let's just figure out. Okay, it's another moonlit afternoon on planet Earth. Is that hold on? Let's.
it's
Earth. Okay, Earth on planet Earth. Perfect for
staring,
Stargaze.
stargaze,
Stargaze.
stargaze,
Stargaze.
stargaze,
Stargaze.
stargaze.
okay, can
STARGACE, stargaze.
okay.
To give at stars.
Gaze.
Gaze,
Gaze.
gaze,
Gaze.
gaze. To look at someone or something and a
Steady
way and
usually
for a long time.
okay, star. I think like a stare.
He
Gaze.
gazed,
Gaze.
he
Gaze.
he gazed out the window at the snow. Stare,
Yeah, gaze, stare. Star gaze, just look at the star for a long time. Okay, and what do we want to do next? Star gaze, okay.
right as
Worry. Yeah, no star gaze, you can look at
Rory,
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 as Rory continued, counted, shattering,
shooting,
shooting stars,
yeah, that's shooting star. Okay, sometimes you can see it at the night. Shooting, they count the shooting stars. Okay, as Rory counted,
shooting stars, his shape,
shifter,
shapeshifter, found
what else? There's so many different names. Zupok. I don't know it. That's his shapeshifter friend, Zupok,
changed from her form again and again.
Laura,
Or had met
Zupok,
Super when he and his family arrived here a year ago.
Zupok,
Super was an alien,
yeah, alien from other star, other
but,
planet.
but she was the only one who understood how
Rory,
I felt.
okay, looks like the shape can be changed. The shapeshifter friend.
Shape
Okay, Rory,
kicked at her
moon rock.
mirrors.
What is a moon rock? A rock from moon? Some special rock. Okay, that's moon rock. What's that?
gaze, gaze, gaze,
Okay,
To fix the
eyes,
and
steady, intended look. Okay,
gazed out the window at the snow.
yeah,
Stare
okay. Moon rock. What else? Moon rock. Okay. It's a moon rock. Yeah, moon rock. At a moon rock.
with his
Gravity.
gravity boots and sighed yesterday.
Finite.
Violet
Person.
asked me to join the
Astral ball team.
basketball team
I guess maybe some kind of sport.
again, but I don't like playing sports. I wish she would stop asking. Why don't you tell her now how you feel?
Oh. Oh. Okay, maybe we'll stop here.